following video contains loud sounds and/or audio themes which may be considered unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewers' discretion is advised.
TTS 1200 Entertainment presents
TTSP flashbacks. Sam's replacement head surgery. This episode of TTSP flashbacks takes place at the end of SG Bloopers 12, Bloopers and Madness.
So, Dr. Julie, is Sam going to be okay? That tantrum he threw was incredibly violent. He threw that tantrum because of the fact that he wanted to be the boss in our studio, knowing that RJ, David and Wally owned the place.
Absolutely, Anna. All we have to do is stitch the head back on and he will be restored again in no time. And while we're at it, we're going to give Sam a full lobotomy to rid him of any more control freak tendencies so that he'll never fire any of us in the studio ever again. Okay, with Sam's head back on, it's time to do his lobotomy next. Anna, perhaps you can wait in the waiting room with the others?
So, any updates about Sam?
That's a relief.
You said it, Michelle. By the way, how come you, Michael, Martin and Martha weren't at the studio when all this happened?
That's because we took the day off, but don't worry, we'll be back in our next logo blooper episode.
That explains it. I have to get going now. 3 scary logos are heading in the general direction of our building, and RJ wants us and the rest of the gang to be there when it happens, so that we can stop them from flaming Sam.
This has been a TTS 1200 Entertainment Inc. production.